We like to introduce the combined processing for thick material over 6.35 mm by Muratec's fiber laser machine with slats palette. It used to be common that processes were divided into laser cutting, chamfering and tapping. However, such separate processes may have following issues. When moving to the next process or during the processing, it's always necessary to carry the product by hand. Especially for thick material, if there are many tapping and formings in the product, it can lead to more labor work, increase in the number of workers and more work hazard. And because each of the process is separated, more work hours will be required due to oversight of tapping and checking drawings and actual products. Muratec's fiber laser with slats palette can easily resolve those issues. The maximum thickness that Muratec's HS models of LS series can form and tap is 6.35 mm as standard. However, with an optional feature for thick material processing, the maximum thickness can be 12 mm and tapping size is up to M12 with forming capacity as 5 ton. Now we'll show you a demonstration. The material thickness is 12 mm and tapping is M12 and M8. For a better quality, chamfering of tapping is performed. First, the pre-hole for the tap is made by fiber laser. The pre-hole is double cut to ensure the slag fall. The pre-hole is completed. Next, move to tapping. First, chamfering is performed on the pre-hole of the tap in the forming process. Then M12 and M8 tap processing is done. Servo motor control enables high-quality processing even for thick material. Slugs are suctioned from below. For a long life of tapping tools, lubrication feature of the tool edge can be added. The breakage of the edge can be detected with a photoelectric device every time tapping is performed, which supports stable processing. The tap processing is finished. Lastly, the outer circumference of the product is cut by fiber laser. Piercing is done by air blow piercing. Air is blown at high output to the processing point to make the piercing done quickly. This is a comparison video with the conventional piercing. Please check the time difference. As you can see, the installation of the air blow piercing function makes it possible to significantly reduce the processing time of thick material. The processing is finished. With oxygen cut, the surface is smooth and there's much less dross. By chamfering, there is no burr on the top surface. This is a comparison of processing time with HS models of LS series when the processes are consolidated. It is shortened by about 38%. This number does not include the moving time of the product between processes, so it can be further shorter in actual operation. The HS models of LS series are capable of forming and tapping up to 12 mm thickness on a single unit without moving between machines or processes. In addition to optional feature for thick material processing, air blow piercing and options of automation enable us to support a wide variety of customers.